Question 3, poetry, 20 marks. Read the oral poem below and answer the questions that follow. The crop thieves. Sweetie, sweetie, I the person I suspect? What have you heard that makes you suspicious? I heard this said, rumors of the weaver birds. They ate the corn in Lesbos field and finished it. And when they left, they sounded They said, listen to the numerous weaver birds, children of the horse that ate the courtyards and their times. It is numerous weaver birds, the grey ones that goes out in the swamps, children with the little red beaks, children that make noise in the mimosa trees. Tupu tupu, the smoke comes out while the dew still glitters. Hoa, swear, is that in the early morning? They are fishing the corn. They are finishing the corn. The numerous weaver bird, children with the weathered beaks. At home, it is yo. The children are crying. The mothers have gone to the fields to the birds. It is the Zulus that have entered the country. Take axes and loop the tree branches. Yo, this year we shall lit fire. We shall lack even a blue-tongued goat. It is numerous weaver birds, the grey ones that go about in swans. Questions. What kind of oral poem is this? This is a work song because the mothers have gone to the fields to chase away the birds. B. Explain two functions of the oral poem. It encourages people to work. It mocks the lazy ones in the society. And then it extols good virtues of hard work. It exalts. C. Identify and illustrate two oral features of the poem. We have idioms. Sweetie, sweetie. Ah, you. We have direct address. They said, listen to the numerals. We have birds. Son of Musima's family. Then we also have direct translation. I heard things said, rumors of weaver birds. We have repetition, children of the house. Question D. What does the poem tell us about the character trait of the weaver bird? Destructive. They eat the corn. They ate the corn in the fields. They are finishing the corns. A. Which lines show that the people will keep on suffering if they do not keep the birds away? Yo, this year we shall lit fire. We shall lack even a blue-tongued goat. Identify and illustrate two economic activities practiced in the community. We have farming. There's farming and there's iron smelting, or you can call it blacksmithing, because they say take Kcse. Question G. What is the attitude of the singer towards the weaver bird? Hatred, or you can just say disappointment. Explain the meaning of the following lines. We shall lack even a blue-tongued goat. It means they will not have food if the weaver bird keeps on invading their cornfield. It is the Zulus that have entered the country. The weaver birds have invaded their farms in large numbers. Grammar, 15 marks. Rewrite the following sentences according to the instructions given without changing the meaning. 3 marks. Maria said the young man had stolen her sweet potatoes. Rewrite beginning with Maria accused. So, Maria accused the young man of stealing her sweet potatoes. 2. It required a lot of planning and great courage to introduce free primary education in Kenya. Begin there. The introduction of free primary education in Kenya required a lot of planning and great courage. The judges declared that Cheptoo had won. Finish winner. The judges declared Cheptoo the winner. Explain the different meanings of the following sentence. The chicken is ready to eat. The chicken is cooked and is ready to be eaten. The chicken can fed. Appropriately punctuate the following sentence to indicate parentheses. Parentheses. When we meet next, and I am not sure when, a lot of things will have changed. When we meet next, and I am not sure when, you put into brackets, a lot of things will have changed. So there you've punctuated to indicate parentheses. Any information you have, including minor details, should be submitted to the office. Any information you have, into brackets, including minor details, should be submitted to the office. You can also accept dashes and commas. Fill in the blank spaces with most appropriate preposition. My classmates insisted on coming with me for the half term. The company was restrained from disposing of its property by the court orders. The fire victims writhed in terrible pain as the rescuers provided first aid. Question E. Use the following words as a preposition in one sentence, in the other sentence as a subordinating conjunction. Since. The scouts have camped here since last week, so you've used it as a preposition. I have not seen Mary since she left for Nairobi in January. That's a conjunction. F. Replace the underlined words with a phrasal verb. The member of parliament cancelled the meeting, so cancel is called off the meeting. That child resembles her mother, so instead of resembles, you use takes after her mother. Question Z. Underline the adverbial clause in the following sentence. They loaded the lorry while we waited. So the adverbial clause is while we waited. They loaded the lorry while we waited. So you underline while we waited and you write it's an adverbial clause. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section. Also let me know what to revise on the following video. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.